If you fish for panfish, this fly is for you. To tie it, we'll start off with some black thread, secure it to our hook shank, and snap your thread free. We'll continue wrapping towards the bend of the hook and grab some black marabou. We'll tie in the tips, securing it tightly to the back of the fly, and continue securing it to the hook shank for our next steps. To help hold the marabou in place, keeping it propped upright, I like to add a few thread wraps behind it, once again securing on top to hold it in place. We'll then grab some crystal flash, here I'm using chartreuse, securing it to one side of our fly tightly, folding it over, and securing it to the other. Continue securing towards the back of the fly. Snip the excess free, and grab some chartreuse marabou. We'll strip some of the marabou free, measuring it to be a bit longer than our black marabou, and secure it to the hook shank, allowing it to spin slightly, doing so to add a little bit of character and a hot spot to our tail. Secure the excess tightly in place, and whip finish at the head of the fly. Snip your thread free, and grab some foam. Here I'm using Loco foam in the color Peacock. Cut your foam into a small triangle section, poking a small hole in the middle, pushing it over the hook shank towards the tail of your fly. With this complete, we'll reattach our thread, snip the excess free, and grab some silicone legs. We'll grab 3 strands, securing them towards the head of our fly using our thread. Ensure that they're secured tightly. Once again whip finishing at the head of the fly, and snip your thread free. At which point we'll trim our legs to length, leaving them quite long, and add some super glue both to the foam and body of the fly. With this complete, we'll start to fold over our foam and position the legs to spread them out before clamping down on the foam. Once happy, squeeze the foam tightly and hold it in place to secure. We'll then trim the legs to our final length, and remember, the longer you leave them, the more action they'll have. And this is a triangle bug, a topwater slider that's known to work exceptionally well for panfish, but can also work for bass. And if you'd like to win this one, comment #flies in the comments below. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.